Hey everyone, it's Jerry Levinson at Carpets of Arizona. You can see we are fully stocked, ready for the Dream Program. Dream Program is the program where you just pay $100 down and we'll install your carpet and you don't pay anything until your house is sold. So for those of you selling a house, for those of you who are real estate agents out there, you're going to love this program because it's going to help you sell the house faster for more money. Also, if you want to just get something installed right away, we can usually install your new carpet within a day or two with any of our in-stock carpet. Now, none of this stuff is cheap garbage. It's good carpet. So you're going to get a great deal on really good carpet and be able to have it installed right away. So we've got about 8 to 10 different carpets to choose from. Come on down to our Chandler store or our Glendale store, our new Glendale store off of Bell Road and 63rd Avenue. And you're going to love what you have to choose from there. So again, Jerry at Carpets of Arizona, and we look forward to seeing you.